Good evening, everybody. You're welcome to today's workshop. I welcome everyone with you here today. Some of you must have been sent by your company to come for this workshop. My name is Meglin Ngozi Ida, and my workshop program today is on maintaining good personal hygiene. As you can see on the slide, the topic is maintaining good personal hygiene, and this is to help everybody maintain good hygiene. The next point is the meaning of hygiene. Hygiene is a series of practices performed to preserve health. According to World Health Organization, WHO, hygiene refers to conditions and practices that help to maintain health and prevent the spread of infectious diseases. Personal hygiene refers to maintaining the body's cleanliness in a bid to curb the spread of diseases like flu and COVID-19 and other transmitted diseases. Yeah, this is another slide telling us how to maintain good hygiene by observing the following 6 W's of personal hygiene. When you visit the sick, wash your hands. When you use the loo, toilet or restroom, wash your hands. As you can rightly see here in this picture, you see a man washing his hands, and you see somebody who went to the loo. After coming out from the loo, has to wash his hands. Yeah, the next slide you have here is when you touch animals, wash your hands. When you come back from work, wash your hands. Wash your hands before and after touching food or fruits. Wash to your elbow with soap under clean running water for 20 seconds or use hand sanitizer. In this case, we are being told here that whenever you visit, you touch an animal, whether the animal is sick or healthy, you must surely wash your hands. When you come back from work, you must have touched so many things. You have to wash your hands. When you touch your food or fruits, before and after touching it, you have to wash your hands. You got to wash it to your elbow with soap under running water to help you stay clean. If you don't have water, you have to use hand sanitizer. I really want us to stay safe. We got to all stay safe. If you want more information, please call Meglin. Email me at megling@email.com or CDC 247, saving lives, protecting people. My number is 0706 538 9974. Thank you for watching this, for being here with me in this workshop today. God bless you.